Hey y'all, it's Rene here and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, go ahead and subscribe. I'm going to stop you here. Go ahead and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get that done, get that out the way, because you need to go ahead and just be a part of the family. Like, come on in, okay? This is a place where I do my hair, I live in beauty. I basically pull myself together, okay? And I love to see people on the journey with me, and not just people, my family. So you gotta be a part of the family to go on the journey with me, okay? And if you're already a part of the family, you already know the type of journeys we'll be going on, right? And so today's journey will be bringing my hair back from the abyss, okay? As you guys know, I had the mini braids for 2 weeks, then I had the distress locks for about 10 days, and so like my hair is in need of much care. Do you see this? Okay, dry, needs help, needs love. It needs everything, okay? And so I want to take you guys on the journey on how I'm gonna do that, so stay tuned. So today we're gonna be doing the Maxim hydration method, okay? And you're probably like, what's that? Don't worry, I'm gonna explain it all to you, okay? So the premise behind the Maxim hydration method is just to infuse maximum hydration into your hair, to get your hair so moisturized that your curls pop, things clump together, and your curls just look so juicy and nice and all this kind of stuff. And so since my hair has not been fully saturated with water in about 3 weeks, like 21 days, okay? Yeah, that's a long time, long time. I washed my hair when I had the mini braids in, but you know, it's nothing like all your hair free and really getting into it and like scrubbing and just doing all the goodness and getting things together. Okay, so you can see my hair, it's kind of dry. Like I said, I had those braids and those locks in for about 3 weeks total, and my hair just feels dry. Like, my hair has a natural sheen to it, which I'm thankful that it does, but like, it just feels dry. It needs some love, like, and I'm excited to see how this works on my hair, especially with the front of my hair, because the front of my hair doesn't curl and clump like the back part of my hair. Like the front of my hair, I don't know where that came from, what happened, you know, when my scalp was being made, but the front of my hair be doing whatever it want to do. But the back of my hair be like, sis, we with you. But the front, rebellious. The first thing you want to do is clarify your hair, okay? So we gotta, like, you know, strip all the oils, all the gunk, all the things that have been laying on my hair for the past 21 days. So what you're gonna want to do is get you some apple cider vinegar. You're gonna want to get you a bottle with the top on it, like a little tip, so you can direct where you want the ACV mix to go. And you're gonna want to get you some water, okay? So we're gonna go back in with half a cup of water and a half a cup of vinegar, so our 1-to-1 ratio can make sense and I don't overflow the bottle. So let's go ahead and pour this in here. Pour this in here. All right, so we have our mix all here. Let's give it a good little shake. And let's head to the showers. All right, y'all, now it's time to make the clay mask. So you can get you some AZTEC Healing Clay. Just throw your arbitrary amount in the bowl, because you're gonna wanna make a nice smooth consistency. Add some ACV, and I mix it all up, okay? And then I went in with some essential oils. I love to use essential oils. Here I'm using tea tree, and then I'm gonna go in with a little peppermint oil. I did about 10 drops of each, and it felt really, really good on my hair. That nice smooth tingle. It was just really, really good. And that was the consistency that I had. So I went ahead and made that early and set it to the side. So here I am in the shower, getting ready just to drench my hair with water, because what we're gonna use first is the ACV mix that we made with the 1-to-1 ratio, okay? So make sure you just drench your hair with water. That's the key word of this process, okay? And what you see me doing here is just separating my hair out, because I don't want to be wasteful with my ACV. I want to make sure I really get on the scalp and on the hair. And so I want to separate the hair so I can focus on one section at a time, okay? So right here, I'm just twisting my hair out the way. And what I did was I clipped the clips that I'm going to use in my hair on top of the shower curtain. Pro tip, so if you're doing your hair in the shower, clip them on top of your shower curtain, okay? Now, I'm just gonna separate all my hair into 4 sections and get to it. So here I am with the ACV mix, and you see how I'm using the pointer of that bottle and really getting it to my scalp. And I'm gonna use the other hand to really just work it in, okay? Now I'm gonna take it down the shaft of my hair, but I wanna hit my scalp first, because we gotta clarify and clean that scalp too, okay? So don't forget about that. I smell like pickled pig feet, if y'all wanted to know. I don't eat pickles pig feet, but I know what they smell like, and that's what I smell like. So I went ahead and did that entire thing on all 4 sections of the hair. Just saturated it, got it down the hair shaft, and clipped the hairs out the way. Boom, I have a little bit left, so I just took that little bit and really just focused it on my scalp just to make sure I didn't really miss anything, okay? Worked it on in with my fingers, make sure I got it all through and where I was kind of satisfied, and I felt like, you know, my hair felt like squeaky clean, so to speak. Went ahead and made sure I rinsed my hair really, really well. Now I know y'all, you gonna smell like vinegar, like you really are. And like I said earlier, I smell like pickled pig feet, but like the smell doesn't last. But I just made sure I rinsed my hair really, really well. And I went section by section and kind of like detangled with the water just to make sure I had my hair rinsed out completely, okay? Now this is the part of the show, you see I'm still in the shower, okay? I'm still in the shower, all right? So this is a part of the show where we're gonna go ahead and add the deep conditioner. But I just want y'all to see that my hair is kind of clumping already. So I was getting kind of excited. So I went in with my deep conditioner and I made sure to saturate it all over the hair, like strand by strand, roots and all that kind of stuff. And I did all 4 sections. I also made sure I detangled my hair just to make sure, you know, I was trying to create those clumps. I detangled my hair with the products in them, you know, to kind of help facilitate clumping. Like, y'all, we trying to make these curls. Get with it, okay? And then I followed up with the following section and did the same thing all through my head. Just put the deep conditioner all over the hair, to the roots, everywhere. And you see I'm just following up, made sure I got like all the sections of the hair. And definitely like them fronts, okay? Like as you see here, I kind of apply my deep conditioner like relax, okay? I'm trying to get it all over. I need everything to be conditioned and curly. Like don't miss a spot when you deep condition it. This is a very important step, okay? Get all the hairs, leave nothing behind, okay? And so what I did there was just dampen the hair a little bit and just ran the brush through it because like I'm trying to help facilitate the clumps, like especially the front of my hair doesn't really curl. So I was trying to get my hair all the little like push it need, like come on y'all, curl, okay? And so what I'm doing here, just taking all those clips down because we gotta rinse our hair, gotta rinse all that deep condition out. And here I am still in the water, okay? Now I've been in the shower for a minute. At this point, I'm just over it, but I said I was gonna try it, I'm gonna stick to it, and here we are, okay? So I want y'all to take note of my hair so far. I was checking it out in the mirror and I was like, okay girl, we kinda got some curls. You don't see them? We kinda got some curls. Cause my hair wasn't looking like that at first. So I'm like, okay, this maximum hydration method might be on to something, especially with the front of my hair. Cause like I said, it doesn't curl right. So I went ahead, y'all saw I prepped the clay mixture and we're gonna slather that all over the hair, okay? And I applied it the same way I did with my deep conditioner, all the strands. I made sure I got my edges. I wanted to make sure everything was maximally hydrated, okay? And you see me here, my hair fully coated, getting them edges, making sure I'm getting those roots really, really good. If you're enjoying this video, subscribe, okay? Hit that notification bell so you can be aware when I drop a new video, okay? I drop one every single week and I want you to come back and join me, okay? And enjoy these journeys, okay? And as you see here, my hair is fully coated with the clay mixture all over, clay everywhere. And what am I doing? Still in the shower, rinsing it out, okay? So I just went ahead and took my time and made sure I got all the clay out. This was like the longest part. And look y'all, look at my little curls. They clumping together. Y'all see that? My hair didn't look like that. Okay. This AZTEC clay, ACV, they own to something. Okay, maximum hydration. And y'all look at the back. So like I said, the back of my hair always like really curl, but not like this. My hair is normally really, really frizzy even after I deep condition. And look how those are clumped without any product in it. Like I was truly impressed. Look at my ponytail and it's curly. Like it's really curly. Like the front of my hair is wavy and the back is more curly, but I was pretty impressed. All right guys, so we are back. Okay, so we have done everything y'all just saw in the shower. I got one more step to do, and I guess I was supposed to do this in the shower, but I just had to get out the water and get out of the shower. I was cold, and I just wanted to get out the bathroom. Like, it was just too much. So, you're supposed to apply your leave-in conditioner. So what I'm gonna do is just put a towel around my shoulders, sop my head with water, apply my leave-in conditioner, and then we're gonna see what we got. Now, with all this hydration and, you know, everything we put on our hair, make sure that you are sufficiently hydrated inside, okay? All this will not work. I mean, it worked, but you know, you just want to be hydrated on the inside. So make sure you get your water in, okay? So what you see me doing here, I'm just saturating my hair down with water. So then I can just apply my leave-in conditioner, just help those curls pop and make sure my hair is really, really conditioned. And so what you see me doing here is slathering that leave-in conditioner all over my head, from the ends to the roots to everywhere. I made sure I got it everywhere, okay? I mean, look, y'all. Look at my crinkles. And like the front of my hair is generally always let me down. But look at that. Now I'm gonna have to do a little work to them, you know, like shingle them a little bit. But normally the front of my hair just be like, meow. Look how easy for them to come together. And this is the front of my hair. I'm telling y'all, the front of my hair just be like, no, we not doing this. And like the back of my hair really curls. I don't know. I don't know where this hair came from and what it does. But it does its own thing. Look at those curls. Oh my goodness. Yes, I haven't seen so many like come together and just work together in so long. And it's frizzy. Like my hair can get really, really frizzy when I try to do this. Like I haven't done a wash and go in years because I generally end up just looking like a wet poodle. Like hair is just, and it's frizzy. Some parts want to curl, some parts don't. So my hair just be like, girl, wash and goes is not us. But I don't know. I might have to test it out. Look at this. Okay, Maxim hydration. Okay, look at those curls, y'all. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed my Maxim hydration tutorial. I hope it can be useful to those that are like me, that have like multi-textures in your hair and you're just trying to define some curls and get them to do something, okay? Leave me some comments down below and let me know what you think. Let me know if you've tried the Maxim hydration method. Let me know if you've done other steps and it was even more successful than what I was able to accomplish here. Before you go, now, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, okay? Definitely subscribe before you go. And until next time, see you later. Hey, before you go, don't forget to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel.